Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm go ahead to introduce the news products on my right hand. This is soup warmer pot, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. The diameter of this pot is about like 15 inches, and the overall height slightly about like 17.5 inches tall. So we can see the units is made by all stainless steels, and they have a small faucet at the front. Two-way functions, one is holding, one is auto close. And on the side of the units, we can see they have a security locks for 3 as a triangle mount on the top of the lids, and also have a the handlebars on the side. And we can take closer to see the inner side. When we open this security locks, we can feel in this pot is open from top. We can see the gasket right here. They can keep the temperature at same levels for a while, and the inner side is marking the stainless steels, 304 stainless steels. The dimension of the inner side will be 13 and 3/4 inches diameters, and depth is almost about like a 13 and 1/4 inches. This will be all information about these products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.